NorthWest Handling Systems is the provider of material handling equipment to some of the largest companies in the world. Costco, Starbucks, Amazon, Walmart, you name it.
We are a company that works on everything you could imagine industrial, forklifts, pallet jacks, racking, everything that keeps a warehouse moving, keeps the supply chain going.
If you really think about it, forklifts move all our products. Costco, Amazon, if those forklifts are down, they're losing like millions of dollars. We give you guys a work truck. You know, you have your tools in the back, you have parts in the back, so you're pretty much setting your own schedule every day. You're going to your customers, you're building a relationship with them, and you're pretty much billing your full day. You know, if you gotta work 8 hours, you can work 8 hours. If you're gonna work 10 hours, you can work 10 hours.
NorthWest Handling allows you to take your truck home, which means I don't have to have a commuting vehicle to get to and from work. They give you a gas card, and that alone is saving some expense.
One of the most interesting things about being a road mechanic is being able to see the different companies and what they do. We have companies like Borton Fruit out in Yakima, where they process millions and millions of pieces of fruit a day, and how they do that is very interesting. We have places like Salt Works, very hidden industry, but they produce some of the most amazing products that are made from salt.
That's the best part about the job, is you're not going to the same place every day and doing the same thing over and over again. Makes it really interesting.
NorthWest Handling cares about their people, and that's probably the biggest selling point for me.
As an employee at NorthWest Handling, you feel valued. We have given multiple people from different backgrounds chances, and a lot of them have excelled.
This place loves their customers and loves their technicians, and they do anything to make both happy.
NorthWest Handling has a unique way of giving technicians the opportunity to advance in life. I became a field service technician, a field foreman, a field service manager, and now I run my own division.
I've only worked here about 4 years now, and I've already gotten 2 promotions, so it's definitely a great company for opportunity.
Teamwork is like the main thing here, you know? If you need help with something, just call. Never feel like you're by yourself.
This is a career opportunity. This company is a company you'll want to stay working for.
What we do is we train from within. It's not just a job for us, it's a career that we take really serious.